Au cœur d'un monde toujours plus connecté, les data centers stockent, traitent et sécurisent des milliards de données chaque seconde. Infrastructures stratégiques et ultra-sensibles, elles mobilisent de véritables trésors d'ingénierie pour éviter la moindre faille.
Everything is designed to protect the servers well before they are put into service. And it all starts with selecting the right sites, which must satisfy several criteria. Adequate water resources for effective cooling, access to adequate power infrastructure, and lastly, access to multiple or a diverse communications network.
Dans un data center, les installations techniques jouent le rôle du cœur, des poumons et du système nerveux à la fois. Les serveurs, eux, en sont le cerveau. C'est pourquoi leur fourniture et leur installation sont des étapes clés pour garantir la réussite de ces bâtiments.
It starts with the selection, procurement and then installation of the building services and equipment before moving into the critical phase of testing and commissioning. It is carried out in an ultra-controlled environment with precise management of temperature and humidity in a dust-free environment. Every square metre of these buildings is designed for optimal performance and operational continuity.
À ce stade, il est indispensable d'anticiper tous les scénarios possibles, prévoir l'imprévisible.
We're talking about a building that once operational is required to run 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year. Interruptions are not an option. Redundancy is the backbone of data centres. When the power supply is cut, the generators kick in and support the facility. If one generator fails, a backup must take over in less than 2 seconds. If a chilled water pump fails, a backup pump will kick in to maintain temperatures between 18 and 27 degrees Celsius. It is fully automated redundancy.
Pour garantir ce niveau de fiabilité, tout l'équipement est testé en conditions réelles durant les phases 4 et 5 de commissioning et de mise en service.
Even the slightest oversight or mistake could have serious consequences, potentially shutting down hospitals, banks, or public services that use the data centres. That's why the final stages of the testing and commissioning processes are extremely rigorous and often extend for periods of between 8 to 16 weeks, depending on the client's requirements. In reality, the testing and commissioning processes start much earlier, with factory and supplier testing. Once on site, each piece of plant and equipment undergoes pre-functional testing.
Les systèmes du bâtiment, électricité, refroidissement et gestion technique, sont d'abord testés un par un, puis ensemble lors d'essais intégrés.
We conduct the integrated load tests on every piece of equipment and building systems to confirm that they operate in perfect synergy with each other. The final phases take place in the presence of the client, during which we simulate a series of failures to verify that the backup and redundancy systems will kick in immediately.
Objectif, atteindre 99,9% de disponibilité, soit un temps d'arrêt quasi nul.
In such a strategic and sensitive sector, performance and security alone aren't enough. Meeting deadlines is imperative. Even the slightest delay in launching a data centre can lead to major financial consequences. That's why anticipation is key. Thanks to our extensive experience and the loyalty of our partners, we now instinctively identify potential risks.
Pour des data centers toujours plus fiables, plus sécurisés, nous développons des trésors d'ingénierie pour bâtir le numérique de demain.